Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly becoming an integral part of our lives. It's no longer a concept confined to science fiction. It's a tangible force shaping our present and future. You see it in the news, influencing the movies you watch, and deeply embedded within the apps you use daily on your smartphone. It's transforming how we interact with technology. It's not just a futuristic idea plucked from the pages of a novel. AI is already actively shaping our world, often operating quietly behind the scenes, powering systems and making decisions that impact us all. Therefore, understanding the fundamentals of AI is now absolutely essential for navigating modern life and making sense of the world around us. This guide is designed to be your approachable and accessible introduction. No complex math equations or lines of intimidating code, just the core ideas and fundamental concepts explained in a way that's easy to grasp. Together, we'll uncover exactly what AI is, exploring its various facets and applications. We'll delve into where it came from, tracing its origins and historical development, and we'll examine how it's already intricately woven into your daily routine, often without you even realizing it. By learning these basics, gaining a foundational understanding, you'll be well equipped to confidently join the conversation and make informed choices in an increasingly AI-driven world, navigating its complexities with greater awareness. AI impacts virtually everything, from the future of jobs and automation to critical issues surrounding data privacy and ethical considerations. It presents both incredible opportunities for progress and significant challenges that we must address thoughtfully. Our primary goal is to demystify the often intimidating world of AI and spark your curiosity and wonder about this truly transformative and rapidly evolving technology. Think of this as a friendly and informal chat about a topic that's fundamentally changing what's possible in nearly every aspect of our lives. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear roadmap of the AI landscape and a solid understanding of where to explore next on your AI learning journey. So, welcome to your crash course. Your exciting journey into the fascinating world of thinking machines starts right now. Let's dive in and begin our exploration. The idea of artificial minds, entities capable of thought and reason, has been a persistent theme throughout human history. From ancient myths of mechanical beings to elaborate clockwork automatons, the dream of creating intelligence has always captivated our imagination. This fascination has been chronicled in countless stories and philosophical debates for centuries, exploring the very nature of consciousness and the potential for creating artificial life. These early concepts, while lacking the technological foundation of modern AI, laid the groundwork for future scientific inquiry. But the true genesis of AI as a scientific discipline began with the invention of the electronic computer, a machine capable of performing complex calculations and processing information at unprecedented speeds. This pivotal moment occurred in the 20th century, ushering in an era where the theoretical possibility of artificial intelligence could finally be explored in a tangible way. These early computers, though massive and cumbersome by today's standards, represented a monumental leap forward. In 1956, a landmark event took place at Dartmouth College, where a group of visionary scientists, including John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky, gathered to discuss the potential of thinking machines. This conference officially launched the field of artificial intelligence, marking the beginning of a dedicated pursuit to understand and replicate intelligence in machines. The attendees were driven by a bold vision. They believed that machines could be programmed to simulate any aspect of human intelligence, from problem-solving to learning and creativity. Early successes in the field included the development of programs that could solve complex mathematical problems with ease, and even play games like checkers and chess, demonstrating the potential for machines to exhibit strategic thinking. These early achievements sparked widespread optimism and attracted significant government funding, fueling further research and development in the field. However, progress began to slow down considerably in the 1970s, as researchers encountered challenges that proved far more complex and difficult to overcome than initially anticipated. This period of stagnation led to what became known as the AI winter, a time of reduced funding and diminished enthusiasm for the field. But the field eventually rebounded, driven by new theoretical approaches and technological advancements. These included the development of machine learning and deep learning techniques, which allowed computers to learn from data without explicit programming. This resurgence was also fueled by the increasing availability of vast amounts of data and the exponential growth in computing power. Instead of relying solely on hand-coding intelligence, a laborious and often limited approach, researchers began to focus on building systems that could learn and adapt from data, mimicking the way humans acquire knowledge. This shift in paradigm led to a series of landmark moments that captured the world's attention. One such moment was IBM's Deep Blue defeating chess champion Garry Kasparov in 1997, a symbolic victory for AI. Another was Google's AlphaGo mastering the ancient game of Go, a feat considered far more complex than chess. The history of AI is a fascinating cycle of bold dreams, unexpected setbacks, and remarkable breakthroughs, each contributing to our understanding of intelligence. Today, we find ourselves in a vibrant and exciting era of AI development, where AI is no longer just a theoretical concept but is actively shaping our world and making real-world impacts across various industries. The journey of AI is far from complete. It continues to evolve at an accelerating pace, with each new advance building upon decades of imagination, dedicated research, and hard work by countless individuals. The story of AI is far from over. It's a story that's still being written, with endless possibilities and potential yet to be explored. At its core, the concept of artificial intelligence, or AI, revolves around a fundamental shift in how we interact with machines. Artificial intelligence is essentially about making machines smart. It's about equipping them with the ability to perform tasks that traditionally demanded human intellect and cognitive skills. This involves enabling them to do tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as problem solving, understanding complex information, and even making creative decisions. AI covers a broad range of abilities, encompassing various fields and applications. It's not just one single skill, but a collection of different capabilities. This includes understanding language, both written and spoken. It also involves recognizing images, identifying objects, and interpreting visual data. Furthermore, AI empowers machines to make decisions based on available information and pre-programmed rules. And crucially, it allows them to learn from experience, adapting and improving their performance over time. The ultimate goal isn't to create a perfect copy of the human mind, replicating every nuance and complexity. Instead, the aim is to build useful tools and systems that can perceive their environment, reason logically, and act intelligently to achieve specific goals. Think of AI as a toolbox filled with specialized smart tools, each designed for a particular purpose. It's not a single, all-knowing entity with universal capabilities, but rather a collection of individual components working together. For example, an AI that excels at playing chess can't automatically drive a car or translate languages unless it has been specifically trained for those tasks. Each AI is tailored to its specific function. AI uses complex algorithms and vast amounts of data to simulate intelligent behaviors in decision-making processes. There's no magic involved, just clever programming and sophisticated mathematical models. It's not about achieving consciousness or sentience, but about solving real-world problems in practical and efficient ways, automating tasks, and improving our lives. One of the key features of AI is that AI systems can learn and adapt over time. They can do this, like identifying spam emails by analyzing thousands of examples and recognizing patterns that indicate unwanted messages. This ability to learn from data and improve performance without explicit programming is what powers today's most exciting AI advancements, driving innovation across various industries. So, when you hear the term AI, picture a collection of smart, task-focused systems, each designed to perform specific functions with increasing efficiency. Ultimately, AI is about computers doing things that once only humans could do, augmenting our capabilities and transforming the way we live and work. That's the real power behind the buzz, the potential to revolutionize industries and solve some of the world's most pressing challenges. AI comes in different types based on what it can do. Most AI today is artificial narrow intelligence, ANI specialists at one task, like recommending movies or recognizing faces. These systems excel in their niche but can't generalize beyond it. The next level, artificial general intelligence, AGI, would match human intelligence across any task, but it doesn't exist yet. AGI would reason, learn, and adapt like a person. Beyond that is artificial superintelligence, ASI, a hypothetical AI far smarter than any human. ASI raises profound questions about control and safety. For now, we live in the age of narrow AI, but the future could hold much more. Understanding these types helps us see where we are and where we might be headed. AI is already part of your daily routine, often without you noticing. Social media feeds, streaming recommendations, and online shopping suggestions all use AI to personalize your experience. Navigation apps like Google Maps analyze real-time data to find the fastest routes. In medicine, AI helps doctors spot diseases earlier by analyzing images. Finance uses AI to detect fraud, while customer service chatbots answer questions around the clock. Even your smart home devices and robot vacuums rely on AI. These examples show AI isn't science fiction. It's a practical tool making life more efficient and secure. You interact with AI every day, often without realizing it. The secret to AI's power is learning mainly through machine learning. Instead of step-by-step instructions, AI models are trained on massive data sets. Imagine teaching a child to recognize a cat by showing pictures AI learns in a similar way. In supervised learning, we give the AI labeled examples like thousands of images marked cat or not cat. The AI finds patterns, adjusts its guesses, and gradually improves. Once trained, it can identify new cats it's never seen before. This process powers everything from spam filters to language translation. There's also unsupervised learning, where AI finds patterns in unlabeled data, like grouping shoppers by habits. Whether supervised or unsupervised, AI learns by processing data and spotting patterns. That's how it makes predictions and decisions. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. Machine learning is the engine behind today's AI revolution. AI is transforming work and home life by automating tasks and offering smart assistants. In offices, AI sorts emails, schedules meetings, and transcribes notes, freeing people for creative work. Designers use AI to generate images. Programmers get code suggestions. Marketers analyze trends with AI. At home, smart assistants like Alexa and Siri manage routines, answer questions, and control devices. Smart thermostats and security systems use AI to optimize comfort and safety. Even robot vacuums map your home and clean efficiently. AI is moving from screens into our physical spaces, quietly making life easier. It's a helpful partner, not just a tool. AI's future promises breakthroughs in medicine, science, and education. Imagine AI designing new drugs or predicting climate change impacts. But with progress come big questions, like bias, fairness, and job displacement. AI can amplify existing prejudices if trained on biased data. As AI changes the job market, we must rethink skills and retraining. The rise of advanced AI, like AGI, raises concerns about control and alignment with human values. Ensuring AI is safe, fair, and beneficial is a challenge for everyone. The road ahead requires both innovation and ethical responsibility. Our choices now will shape AI's impact on society. Ready to learn more about AI? You don't need a tech background to start. Begin by noticing how AI shapes your daily tech. Ask questions about recommendations and smart features. Explore beginner-friendly articles and videos from trusted sources like Wired or Kurzgesagt. Try hands-on tools like Google's Teachable Machine to see AI in action. Free online courses, such as AI for Everyone, break down the basics for non-experts. Stay curious and keep asking questions. Learning is a journey, not a race. Discuss AI news with friends and colleagues to deepen your understanding. Take small steps, observe, experiment, learn, and share. You'll soon move from bystander to informed participant in our AI-powered world. Your journey into AI starts now, one step at a time.